Hello beautiful people, welcome to part 5 of this free astrology course for beginners. And in this part you're going to actually can get your own chart up. So I use this program, www.astro.com. It's free. And you just, if you Google it, and then you can just register for it. So the first thing you need to do is, once you've registered, is you'll get this page here, and you want to come across and click on add a new person, and then you're going to get the birth data entry. So you put your name in. I'm going to put my name in here. And then it's up to you if you want to put female or male. And then here you put your birth date. And then here you put your time of birth. Now, if you don't know your time of birth, I would suggest that you just put midday. And then the whole world, you want to choose the country you were born in. And then here you want to put in the town that you were born in. And it will come up with some choices. And you click on the one, oopsie, go away. You click on the right choice, then click on continue. And now I already have this set up for a particular type of astrological chart. So these little boxes here are going to might look slightly different when you set them up. So first of all, you're going to go into here, into this, and you see how you get a big selection. Now you want to click on the top one, the natal chart wheel, and then on the next box, again, you get a huge selection of different types of charts. Now, I studied with a school called the Huber School, and I really like their way of drawing up charts. So I'd like you to follow this style as well for the time being, and then you can practice with different styles later on. So you're going to choose the Huber style of chart. Then house system. Again, there are many different types of house system, but I'd like you to choose the Koch house system, which is what we used in the Huber School. And again, you can practice with different types of house systems as you become more familiar with astrology. So you want to make sure you've got tropical clicked here and geocentric. And then you're going to click here to show the chart. Sorry, you do get a few adverts. So this is my birth chart. The reason I like the Huber style chart is because you get this lovely colourful pattern of lines in the middle, and it's very easy to see the planets around the outside here in the side within this wheel of the zodiac. It's a very clean and simple way of drawing the charts. So once you've got your chart up in front of you, you'll see that the sun and the moon, and this is Saturn, are all written in red. And I'd like you to just make a little note. You'll know your sun sign already, and we talked about that in part 4. So here you'll be able to see what your moon sign is. So I have moon in Cancer. And then also I want you to look here on the left where it says AC, and look at what sign of the zodiac is here. Now, if you don't know your birth time, then this AC won't actually be of any significance, that sign there, because this is totally time dependent. But if you do know your birth time, then I want you to make a note of what sign of the zodiac was here on the what we call the ascendant or the rising sign. So you can see that I am a sun in Pisces, moon in Cancer, and I have Aquarius rising. And when astrologers talk to each other and we ask each other for our basic birth data, that's what we always ask for. We say, what's your sun sign? What's your moon sign? And what's your rising sign? So if you make a note of those, sun in Pisces, moon in Cancer, well for me, and your rising sign. And then we're ready to move on to part 6. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.